No.
Haman?
Wife! I've just emerged from the lowest circle of Hades!
I can't be seen with you like this. Quick, put yourself together!
There's nothing left to put together. I spent the entire day groveling at the feet of the man who I hate most, Mordecai the Jew.
How could you let that happen?
I had no choice. It was the king's order.
The king's order? Haman, you must be joking, because the plan was to hang Mordecai, so you couldn't possibly have actually...
What? It's your duty to comfort me.
But Haman, you can't be serious, because if what you say is true, then you're obviously cursed. I am sure Mordecai worships the Jewish God, and if that God is against you, you have no hope. You are ruined. We are all ruined!
Silence! I command you to keep your lies to yourself. You're nothing but a woman. Now, help me get ready for tonight. I have another feast to attend. I must pretend this day never happened.
Of course.